All right, good evening, race race fans. Sorry, underneath the car. Welcome back to part 5, part 6. I have to check it. I think it's part 5 of how to service an automatic transmission. And tonight, what we're going to point out is a couple of things. Number one, you always want to clean. Don't just put stuff back together all greasy, dirty, nasty. Because then you can't tell if you got oil leaks or something. And we're going to point out another common mistake that we see. So let's turn the camera around. And hit a little bit of light. See if that helps. Okay. So when you put the pan back on, let's get it back, get the camera right. When you put the pan back on, and you get all this set up, get your gasket set up and everything, make sure you got your gasket straight. A couple of common mistakes that we see everybody, that a lot of people do, is they'll just get up in here and they'll start tightening, and they'll just start on one side. And that runs a risk of kinking the gasket, not flattening out the gasket right, and not to mention over torquing. They'll go on one bolt and just wrench until it's super tight, and then go to the next one. What you want to do is start in the middle and then go across, go one over, come across, go one over, come across, and keep going around the pan in a crisscross pattern. And don't just ugga-dugga or wrench these things down, because you will end up warping the pan and you will end up causing yourself leaks. We've actually seen where guys have taken impact wrenches and they've tightened down the pan bolts so tight that it splits the pan, and then the pan leaks, and they wonder how that happened. Well, if you hadn't taken your impact wrench and ugga-dugged the thing down to 100 foot-pounds, well, you might not have split your pan or warped your pan, and it wouldn't be leaking. So that's just a quick little tech tip on how to get the pan back up. We did not cover how to put the filter back in. That's pretty self-explanatory on this transmission. It just pushes back in once you get the little crush sleeve, the little seal sleeve in. And then the gasket, of course, tightening the pan up. But again, another thing you want to do, notice we've cleaned everything. Get the camera back where you can see. We've cleaned it all up, and we're going to clean some more on the way out. And that is just a couple of little quick tech tips on how to service your transmission, and that will help ensure that you don't get leaks. That'll help spread the gasket out and everything. And always look up what the torque sequence is, or what the torque setting is. Don't over torque it, don't split your pan, don't warp your pan and cause leaks. So next up, we're going to cover how to refill the transmission, because that's another common mistake we see. So stay tuned, everybody. We're going to get this all buttoned up, cleaned up, get the car down off the jacks, then we'll get it up. We'll show you how to fill it up. Like, comment, subscribe, and let us know what you'd like to see. Stay tuned for the next part.